Data Analysis 2014, question 2. This one's all about population and poverty, which was in page 4 of the datasheet. Now, it says here that the average annual percentage growth for the population of Africa is 2.51%, and we want to show that this doubles the population in 28 years. Now, the problem is we don't know the population for Africa, so in order to show this, we can just make up a number to help us out. So we'll assume population of Africa is, for example, it could be 100 million, something like that. So we'll just come up with a number is 100. Okay. Now the growth rate is 2.51%. So we need to change this into a multiplier so we can show how much it grows by. Now if it grew by 100%, we'd have to multiply by 1. So if it grows by 2.5%, now that's on top of 100%, so we want 102.51%, so that's going to be times 1.0251. So 2.51% growth, we need to do times 1.0251. So let's see what happens. We're going to do it times 1.0251, 28 for 28 years, so 28 times. So we're going to do 100 times 1.0251, 28 times. So let's put that into our calculator. The short way of doing it 28 times is to say to the power of 28. So 100 times 1.0251 to the power of 28. Now this has given us an answer of 200.19 and some more numbers. Now 200 point something is over double 100. Okay, so we've shown that it's more than double. We just need a concluding statement. So more than double original population. Now you can choose any number to start with. You just have to show your final number is more than double that. Okay. Now it's using some numbers which came from the data sheet. We're going to assume the world's population is currently 7 billion and it grows by 82 million in the next year. And we want to find out what the annual percentage growth rate is. So it grows by 82 million. And if you're not sure what a million and billion are, it's listed on the population and poverty data sheet. 82 million, so 82 and 6 zeros. Now we want that as a percentage of the current population, which is 7 billion. Okay, so that's 7 billion. We want that as a percentage, so we need to multiply by 100. And we're just going to put that into our calculator. So 82 million divided by 7 billion times 100 gives us 1.17%. Now it says give your answer to 3 significant figures, and that's 3 significant figures. Okay. Now we're going to use our answer from B part 1, and we're going to find how many years it will take for the world's population to double. So what we're going to do with this one is we're going to say the world's population is currently 7 billion. If you took 7 billion and we want a growth rate of 1.17%, so that's 100 and no tens but 1.17%. Now, we don't know how many years we're going to do that for, so I'm going to call that x. So we need to grow by 1.17% x times. Now that must equal, we want it to double. So 7 times 2 is 14, so we want that to equal 14. We can now use our calculator's equation solver. So 7 times 1.0117 to the power of x equals 14. Shift solve. Have a guess. We know it's going to be quite a lot of years, so I might guess, say, 30 years. And it tells me the answer is 59.6. So that's 59.6 years to 3 significant figures. It's a number of years, so it does make sense. If you want to, you can round to 60 years to give a number of whole years.